For sale, 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500Hd work truck with Knapheide 8-foot utility body, ready to work. Offered for sale is a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500Hd work truck equipped with an 8-foot Knapheide utility/service body, a dependable contractor-ready platform designed for mobile service, maintenance crews, and field repair operations. This Class 2 light-duty service truck is powered by the GM L96 Vortec 6.0-liter V8 gasoline engine producing 360 horsepower and paired with a GM 6L80E 6-speed automatic transmission and 4x2 drivetrain. The naturally aspirated 8-cylinder engine operates on gasoline with a 36-gallon fuel capacity. The truck rides on spring suspension manufactured by GM and utilizes hydraulic brakes with a single rear axle configuration. It carries a 9,500-pound GVWR supported by a 4,400-pound front axle rating and 6,200-pound rear axle rating, along with a 158-inch wheelbase and steel wheels. The truck is equipped with an 8-foot Knapheide utility body featuring an open service configuration designed for organized tool storage and easy job site accessibility. This setup provides multiple exterior compartments for equipment, tools, and materials, making it well suited for contractors, electricians, plumbers, and service technicians. The extended cab configuration allows for additional passenger seating and interior storage space, while maintaining the durability expected from a heavy-duty work truck. Finished in white with a gray interior, the truck includes air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and power door locks. Additional work-ready features include a heavy-duty tow hitch and an integrated trailer brake controller to support towing needs. Notes indicate the truck was cooperative owned and maintained, is a one-owner vehicle, and is described as being in immaculate condition and ready to go to work.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.